So the question is about this. What does this refer to here? And what we know about is pronoun questions is that when you get a pronoun question, the answer is always most probably going to come from the previous sentence. It can be from the same sentence as well, depends, but it is not going to come from the beginning of the paragraph where they're talking about molecular diagnostics. And then you see that in the answer option here, because this is the opinion of Nariman Luch, and this person has said no word about molecular diagnosis. So this obviously is not going to be the answer. And then if I go with the answer option A, I would read and focus on this. I would read the increased prevalence of salmonella in the community does not necessarily suggest an increased prevalence of salmonella in the community, which does not make any sense. So answer option A is also not going to be the correct answer. Anybody who's only word matching might choose this. Now, gastrointestinal bacteria is also something that is mentioned over here, which is once again the opinion of Amy Douglas. Nariman Luch has said nothing about this particular bacteria. And so going from here, from this sentence to here to answer the question about this does not seem likely. So this also is not going to be the right answer. Very clearly, the answer option that is going to be correct is going to be answer option B. Why? Because here they are saying that while there are a number of reasons why we have seen. So number of reasons are plural actually. So it's not going to be the answer to our singular pronoun this. While we have seen an increase in hospital admissions. Do you notice this? An increase in hospital admissions. So the increase in hospital admissions is another way of me saying rise in hospital admissions for the salmonella infections. This does not necessarily suggest an increased prevalence of this. Just because there are a lot of admissions in the hospital for salmonella infections does not mean that salmonella infections have increased in the community or have become very, very prevalent. That's what they're trying to say, which makes absolute sense. So our answer option B is going to be the right answer.